Kitchen is Chef Paul. With me today is
Chef Amy.
And today, Amy woke up and she's ready to start slapping the crap out of me. And I kind of feel for her and I kind of agree with her on this. She's like, Chef Paul, I really want some cheeseburgers tonight. In fact, I demand some cheeseburgers tonight. And I'm joking, Amy really didn't do that. Amy wouldn't hurt a fly. So, I've got some lean, extra lean ground beef here. I'm just trying to find a way to cut this so I can stick this in here. I'm not going to film making a burger. I mean, you can, I'm sure by now you know how to actually, how to do that yourself. It's not complex. So I'm just going to take the beef out here and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to marinate it to make this the best burger Amy can have. And I'm telling you, this is going to be one heck of a burger. It really is. I'm going to take this off here for a second because I've got to get a couple of spices out.
Well, you could ask me.
You're holding the camera.
Oh, true.
Yeah, so there. So I'm going to use some applewood. We want the applewood. And then I'm going to use some liquid smoke. Amy likes her liquid smoke, doesn't she?
Yes.
If you don't have a smoker, then that's what you want. You want, and we're going to do some garlic powder. If you don't have a smoker, you want liquid smoke because it will do the job pretty darn good. All right, and then some onion powder. And then this is going to be the fun part. Soy sauce. More soy sauce. We have way too much soy sauce for what reason, I don't know.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the Worcestershire sauce.
Take the camera for a minute.
And Chef Amy is going to take a moment and she's going to search the fridge for there. I always like to joke that I love seeing Amy on her knees, but it's not quite what I had in mind.
I found it.
And she found it. Woohoo!
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to dump some Worcestershire sauce in here. Give it a little bit of zing, but nothing too crazy. I want something that's going to be easy on the stomach. We're gonna use some potato roll buns. I'm going to dump the spices in. I've already told you what they were.
And put pepper in too.
You know I'm going to put pepper in. Applewood, and then liquid smoke. Now, this is very important. Do not just doof this in.
Very little.
Just need a very little amount.
Like a drop.
And that was too much.
Uh-oh.
But that's alright. Shouldn't be too bad. And then we want some ground black pepper, like Amy was saying. Don't do what Chef Amy made me do.
Oh, I'll get that after.
There's a little bit on here, so I'm just going to drain that because we don't need it. Enough of the spice and everything still in the beef, so
Yeah.
I didn't lose anything. We just don't need to have an excessive amount. So don't be afraid to get rid of a little bit of it if you need to.
Oh yeah, I can smell the marinade.
And that's always
Smells
a good thing.
good.
So now I'm making this in the form of smash burgers, but it's going to be made with onions. So you want to make sure you have a lot of onions.
Which we do.
We do have a lot. So I'm just going to make these into little balls. Something Amy's very interested in.
Hey.
And this time I'm not going to stick this in the freezer.
No.
Nope. Amy's going to do me a favor, and she's going to grab a plate. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And she's going to put this in the fridge. We're just going to let this chill and hang out for at least maybe 2 hours. And that's it. How does that look, guys?
Really good. There you
That,
go.
that is the easiest way to make your burgers. And my suggestion, potato bun, maybe some decent cheese, and then cook it with the onions, put the cheese on, you're good to go.
You probably feel like you can grab the burger with the quality of this camera.
Yeah, it's but this is going to be good. So we'll be I'm not going to do a part 2 on this. This is basically it. You guys know how to make a burger, make your own, do it your own, but hopefully you like this. But these are going to be good smash burgers when we cook this. Just going to take a pan, I'm going to smash it on with the onions on the top, cut them really, really close, and that's basically it. So anyways, thanks for coming out. We appreciate it. Please, let's help us make cooking great again. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe.